26th of September 2022 we have Ilomäentie, Laajasalo, was it 11?
Yes.
Stegis. So this one is a lot better, of course, than A because it has like 11 floors, almost a tower.
Yeah.
But with the lift call button, the Swiss call button here as a spare part.
Yeah.
It deserves 2 rides, and the capacity is 6 persons for 80 grams, built in 1973. It's going to be 50 years old in the next year, 2023. With memory, probably. But I wonder if the 10th floor is open. I hope so. Yeah, it should be. And the Sunbury VS 3107. It's going to be inspected in 2024. And I love the smells and the sound in here.
Yeah, same.
This is here in Laajasalo in Tromsø. Helsinki has Finland. I mean, Laajasalo, sorry. Not.
Yeah.
It's easy to mix them up. At the end of the video we can also watch the floor indicator from the street level to the 10th floor.
Yeah. Iskuttiinpa kiva iskuttaa, että meidän 10th paikka on. But it should have been made faster, of course. Yeah.
But it's because of the oil crisis of 1973. It's forgotten, but I can press it.
Yeah.
I still have 11 old on the way to here to come back to later because they have impossible points.
Yeah.
Now we can watch the parking from the street level to the 10th floor. But it shouldn't have been the LED light.
Yeah.
Should have still been with a yellow LED would have been better.
Yeah.
And then also some of these are broken.
Yeah.
So they could have also been yellow LEDs. Those that are broken.
Yeah.
That's it, and thank you very much
That's-
for watching.